Heads. Okay. Tails. Nice. Cool. Okay. So, why did I do that? So, I just realized that I got a bunch more subscribers for some reason. I hope which I'm ecstatic for, which, hey, welcome to my channel. But I just wanted to clarify that I know some of you guys were talking about how you like my stock picks, or like you appreciate me giving my opinion. I just wanted to talk about how anyone can be lucky twice in a row, right? Like, you don't understand how many times I had to flip that coin until I got two in a row. I am on the same boat as everyone else, right? I'm no smarter than you. I don't have any insider information or anything. I'm just on this platform. I just want to really talk out my opinions, talk out my research, and hopefully get a conversation going on. I am really against people on YouTube who are constantly talking about, oh, this stock's gonna go to the moon. Oh, this stock is a 20 million bagger. Like, the people like ticker symbol U, and just to name, I guess, one of them, they're just like the scammy financial YouTubers. I'm really against, and I really want to tell you guys that I'm only here, like, I'm on the same boat as everyone else. I'm no smarter than you. I'm not a trained economist or trained business person. I have an engineering background, right? So I don't know. But I just wanted to say, like, yeah, I was lucky. I guess kind of correct so far. You don't know about the future, right? But as of November 23rd, 2024, I guess my predictions of seeing undervalued companies is starting to play out, right? But at the same time, if you look at the market, the entire market's up, right? Anyone can be right. Basically, if you chose any stock ever, you would be right. So I just wanted to really say hi, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, hello, name's Jason. But again, like, I am, I really want to stray away from being the YouTuber that's just giving stock picks and giving opinions. I don't want to lead anyone down the wrong path, right? Everything I say is just my opinion, and it's the research I've done with my limited set of tools, right? Like, I use Google, I use Whale Wisdom, I use what's it called, Open Insider, I use the SEC filings, and like, I can be wrong, right? So everything I say, just definitely take with a grain of salt, because I'm here to kind of air out my thoughts, and to really, if I can't make a video on something, then that's how I know maybe I shouldn't invest in it, just because I don't see how, if I can't even convince myself, if I can't even create a script for myself to kind of lay out the bullish aspects, the bearish aspects, and to really understand the company, then it'll be really hard for me to, it doesn't make sense for me to invest in the company itself, right? Then that means I don't have a core understanding of that company. I guess I do also do a lot of reading, which, if there's any books I do recommend, I recommend um, Common Stocks, Uncommon Profits. Is that the word? Is that the phrase? By, I forgot his name, but his last name was Fisher. Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits. Black Swan. So I'm like a Nassim Taleb fanboy. So Black Swan, Anti Fragile, um, those two are really good in kind of doing some type of a risk. What's it called? In making sure that you have your risk in order, and making sure you're not too exposed to anything that has fat tail risks. He talks a lot about that, and I find that I found that really enlightening. Right? There's obviously The Intelligent Investor by Stephen Graham. I hope that's the name. Stephen Graham. I don't know. And then I just do a lot of reading on, for example, Warren Buffett's his annual notes, his annual shareholder notes. Right? I just look at what other people are doing, and then, hey, they're making money, so maybe I should kind of learn from them. um, Again, I am not someone to follow, right? I'm just here to give my opinion, and hopefully we can start a conversation. If there are any YouTubers that I do suggest you watching, or at least getting some insight from, I find that for SoFi specifically, there's Hurricane Lopez, Danny Deals. He's I feel like he's really real. he doesn't he doesn't monetize his channel at all, right? Even though he definitely can, but like just make sure when you're looking for a financial YouTuber, don't go to the ones that are only making money from selling you stuff. Okay, like if someone's always pitching a course or someone's always pitching some type of something, right, like a Discord channel or something like that, right, don't I would not suggest listening to them, because more often than not they're earning more money from you buying the course than from you just than from you than from their investments. So I don't suggest that, right? But like I feel like I feel like a lot of economy and a lot of investment and a lot of business, it's more people skills, and I feel like a lot of it's actually psychology. So when people bash on psychology not being a STEM major or a STEM discipline, I feel like those people, if they were in business, they'd make so much money, save so much more money. There are certain times in my career when I'm like, maybe I should have just done psychology instead of doing instead of doing engineering, because like if you look at how the markets move, and you can technical analysis, it's literally just analyzing the market psychology. If you really look at it, if you like what is it, bring it down to its bare bones, right? It's analyzing market sentiment, right? That's what's the most important part in investing, right? Because if you invest in market euphoria versus if you invest in peak bearishness, right, there are outsized returns that you can get, or incredible losses that you might face from that, right? And then really learning about human emotion, I feel like that's really impressive. That was a really long tangent, but I just wanted to say, I know a lot of people, suddenly my channel like doubled in subscribers, so I just wanted to make sure and make clear that I am no smarter than anyone else. I am as dim-witted of a turd as anyone else. If you do want to see someone smart, I feel like Danny Deals, I'll link to his channel somewhere in the comments or something, I don't know, but he seemed really real. And also for SoFi, there's also the SoFi Weekly guys, Tanner, Tevis. Those people are really smart, right? I sometimes watch them when I don't understand things. So yeah, those are some channels that I recommend. I am not someone that will give personalized like stock picks or anything like that, right? I'll do my research, and then I'll put up a video talking about a stock or talking about maybe some TA that it's more in my opinion, and I'll invest it in myself, but I will definitely recommend doing your own research before just blindly following any YouTuber, right? Even the ones that I've listed previously, any YouTuber, right? Everyone is prone to missing something. So those are just my 2 cents, right? And also, if you didn't notice, I failed too many times, and then I was running out of memory space. So actually, when I flipped the quarters, I was wrong both times when I caught when they caught the sides. So I was just tired of having to delete footage. That was random, but yeah. Welcome to my channel. If you're here to stay and listen to me ramble about what I think about the economy, what I think about random stocks, what I think about maybe like just like what I did before, just forecasting completely incorrectly earnings reports and seeing how the stock will move, hey, welcome to my channel. That's it. That's all I wanted to talk about. Have a good day. Welcome.